Hello and welcome, my entrepreneurs, business owners, business, success business, and those who are seeking to get into business and being successful at it. Now, I wanted to quickly talk about this particular topic here is about uh, procrastination, the root cause of being procrastinating within the business that you're seeking to start. Okay. So Dr. Pamela Smith, what are you talking about? I'm going to get there. So thank you for joining me, being a part as we go on and learn about the life of a business and a serial entrepreneur as me, and what it is that I'm going to do to help you get out of that closet and not go into the space of the world that I was in, but learn how to find that business that is going to be successful for you, so that you don't go through all these journeys that I went through, where I have been a part of over 15 businesses. That's a lot. And I want you to focus. And if I wish I had a me back then, focus on the one thing that was successful for you. And I had found that one successful thing. But I let what I was doing bring in other people. Okay? And that root cause was the procrastination based on what other people wanted me to do. So I had a limited belief because I was too all over the place. And I was letting my unconscious mind make me believe that I needed to do something else, when I had the habit, the correct habit. I had a daily habit, and that daily habit that I had is that I enjoy real estate. I had owned over 75 properties. I was buying like no one else ever. I was just buying. And I started a property management company so that I could manage my own properties, okay? And I was in that habit. I was focusing on those one things, which was to be successful within that space. But what I did was I allowed myself to be delayed based on other people's desires, which caused me to lose some of my results and change my habit, right? So my habit began to change. I began to delay myself. I started having limited belief because I started letting other people tell me about what they wanted to do, help them what they wanted to do, and I allowed them in my space. So that's how procrastination creeps in, because you start changing your habit of the go-getting person that you were to starting to do what someone else wanted you to do. Are you understanding? So here's what happened. When the opportunity for you entertains into your life, you will have people around you that's going to do whatever they can to knock you off balance. And we think is, like I talk about, they're taking you off path. But what they're doing is taking away your belief and causing you to procrastinate, because you're slowing your progress. Because why? Because they're coming into your life bringing their mess to you. And you end up getting behind, because now you're focusing on this. I don't want to say the word, but you focusing on what they got going on. And you start delaying your success because you now focusing on what they want for them. And what you didn't realize, and this is real talk, sometimes people don't want you to succeed. Sometimes people want you to stay where they at. Sometimes people want you to be slowed down because you're moving too fast, you're too successful, things are working for you, and they're wondering why. And so you end up allowing them to come in where they're starting to block you, and you start procrastinating on what was already working for you. So why you start procrastinating? Because you start listening to what they think about your business, your idea, your process, your success. Real talk. You allow other people to come in now because they want to drain you of what you have now learned, drain you of what you are good at, drain you of what you're being successful at, that they're so busy keeping you off that you begin to procrastinate in your own business life because you have allowed somebody to block you. And I tell you, it's so easy to do. It is so easy that a person can come right in and cause you to stop investing in yourself. That they can take you so off path that you start focusing on you know what I'm saying. You start focusing on what they want to do. And you already a master in your arena. You already good in your arena. You already know what you want to do in your arena. You already got it going on in your arena. You are successful in your arena, and you let somebody else come in your way, get you off path, and take you out of your zone. I'm having this talk because I'm telling you, I've been there. It was done to me. And if I don't teach you nothing else, listen to me here now. If I don't teach you nothing else, you have got to choose what you want to do for yourself. Don't choose what somebody else wants. Choose for what you want for yourself, because people will block you. They will block you because their thought process of what they think and feel about you and why you're doing what you're doing and why is it happening to you. You don't have time to explain to somebody your success. Get your success where it needs to be and charge somebody to learn why you're successful where you're at. Stop giving people free information. I give this information here because you're watching me, you're following me. You want the foundation of how to be successful as an entrepreneur. You want help to get where you're going and have a daily habit so that you can be successful in what you want to do as an entrepreneur. Don't let somebody delay your dream, your process. Stop letting people put you in a place that keep you from being successful because they take you off balance. They take you out of your place and they cause you to start procrastinating in your world, that you start focusing on their opportunities versus your opportunities that are already in place. So I know I could be result driven, and I'm this way because I was put in a place and pulled away from my success because of how they felt and what I was doing and what was going on and why were you so successful and why is this happening for you? And then they come into you, what are you doing? How are you doing? You don't have time to help people go where you're going. Tell them to go find a mentor for that if you're not teaching that. Tell them to go take a class for that. So if you're not teaching that, Tell them to find somebody else who they have to pay to get that information if you're not teaching that. And stop giving people your journey. Stop giving people your journey. Stay on your path. Stay on your journey. Stay focused. Stay focused on what you're doing for your situation, for your business, for your success. Okay? So I hope that the information that I've gave you will help you understand why it is so important. It is so important to stay on path. You have to stay on path. If you need any help and you want one-on-one, I do offer one-on-one. Just go to the link in the description if you like some help there. But again, please look out for my book that I will be bringing out. I look so forward to you getting the secrets to reinventing yourself. And I hope that when this book comes, it will help you. So thank you for being a part. Thank you for joining me. I will be back again as we get into this, talking about ways to be successful and to stay on path. Okay? I will see you soon. Take care. And make sure that you go to the link in the description. I do have some mentors that will get you going now while you're waiting on my book that will help you out. So go into the link in the description that can help you. If you're looking to get started now and you need to be challenged now, it'll be in the link in the description. Okay? All right. Thank you for joining me. We will be back with Dr. Pamela Smith, your serial entrepreneur, as we continue to talk about being an entrepreneur. You've been with Dr. Pamela and her entrepreneurs. Take care. I will see you soon.